You know, there's something truly special about holding your own work in your hands for the very first time. After months of writing, editing, designing and countless late nights, it's finally here. This is the Motorcycle Filmmaking Handbook, a project that started as an idea and somehow turned into this beautiful book I can actually hold. When I began this journey, I didn't just want to make another manual or another how-to guide. I wanted to create something that inspires, something that helps other writers and filmmakers turn their passion into something cinematic, emotional and personal. Because for me, filmmaking on a motorcycle isn't just about cameras and gear, it's about telling stories that stay with you long after the ride is over. Every page in this book has a piece of the journey in it. The chapters cover everything from camera setup and audio capture to cinematic storytelling, editing techniques, and even the creative mindset behind every great film. It's not written for Hollywood, it's written for us. Writers, creators, people who live for the open road and want to share that feeling with the world. You know, when I started making motorcycle videos years ago, I had no idea how much there was to learn. Most of it was trial and error, figuring out how to shoot while riding, how to keep the story engaging, how to make people feel something. And over time I realized a whole community of people out there is doing the same thing, facing the same challenges. This book is for all of you. For everyone who's ever grabbed a camera, jumped on a bike and thought, I want to capture this moment right. It's filled with practical advice, gear setups, pro tips and little details that can make a big difference. But more than that, it's about creativity, discipline and storytelling. Because at the end of the day, the camera doesn't make the film. You do. Your eye, your emotion and your connection to the road. Seeing this book finally printed with all the photos, illustrations and notes I've worked on is absolutely surreal. And it wouldn't have happened without all the support from this community. Everyone who's been watching, commenting, sending ideas and motivating me along the way. Honestly, you're a part of this too. Every video, every comment, every shared story pushed this project a little further. The print edition is now available on Amazon and the digital version will be coming soon on Apple Books. Whether you're a filmmaker, a writer or just someone who loves the creative process, I hope this book gives you something valuable, maybe even the push to start your own project. Creating something from nothing takes time, passion and a lot of heart. But when you finally hold it in your hands, it's worth every single moment. Thanks for being part of this journey. I can't wait to see what you create next, and I see you on the next ride. Cheers!